Good afternoon, all. Dear participants, so we have come to the end of this AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored online 1-week faculty development program on emerging trends in application of mathematics. So we are in the final stage, the valedictory function. So I would request Dr. N.K. Geeta, the coordinator, associate professor, Department of Mathematics, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, to share her thoughts about the FDP. Over to you, Geeta, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening to all present here. On behalf of Department of Mathematics, Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. I, Dr. Geeta N.K., coordinator of this FDP, is so grateful for this opportunity to thank you all. It's my privilege to thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy to given me a chance to conduct 5-day faculty development program successfully. I would like to thank our management, Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. I extend my thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. CPS Prakash, Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore, our HOD, Dr. Radha Gupta, Department of Mathematics, and the resource persons of this FDP, Dr. Surya Narayana, Dr. Neetasha, Dr. Ram Jiwari, Dr. Mangir Ram, Dr. Jayalata, Dr. Vijay Singh, Dr. Hardik Soni, Dr. Avinish Kumar, Dr. Kokila Ramesh, Mr. Vivek Bansal. My sincere thanks to our organizing committee members, Department of Mathematics, for their continuous support and involvement for this entire FDP. And my hearty thanks to participants for your active participation. And I would like to thank our computer operator and lab assistant for their strong support for smooth conduction of this FDP. Once again, my sincere thanks to all.
Thank you, Geeta, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Radha Gupta, Head of the Department of Mathematics, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, to share her thoughts. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all the participants. And if there are resource persons available here, to all the resource persons, as well as my organizing team and the team which has worked back end for fully supporting this particular faculty development program. Let me tell you, as organizers also, we actually enjoyed thoroughly, though there were certain hiccups because we are not that very technology friendly. But in the process, we learned so many things which is related to digitization. So I'm really thankful to the AICTE Atal Training and Learning Academy for giving us the opportunity to conduct such a faculty development program where we had participants from various disciplines. Most importantly, the resource persons who are from eminent institutions, and they agreed to our invitation readily without taking much time. That was the biggest and the happiest part of conducting this particular faculty development program. I also extend my thanks to the management, Dayanand Sagar Group of Institution, our principal, Dr. CPS Prakash, the entire Atal Academy, and my faculty members, also all the resource persons and the faculty and the participants who have participated from various corners of this of our country. So I extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you. Not but last the least, I also want to thank the supporting team, my computer operators who were there all the time to see that we don't face any internet issues. So I thank them also wholeheartedly. This is from my side. I encourage the participants to exchange their views and their suggestions if they have any, so that we can improve ourselves in conducting such programs in future also. Thank you very much. Are there any suggestions or feedbacks from the participants? Please feel free to share your views on this.
Yeah, once again, I thank all the participants for joining us today. Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone, one and all.